All right, guys, today we are doing some fancy grits. We got our grits boiled. You can use some quick minute grits, does not matter. And right here we have shiitake mushrooms, we have red, orange, and yellow bell peppers, we have purple onions and spinach and some garlic also in there. All you need is a little bit of sea salt, Italian seasoning, and maybe a little extra garlic seasoning. Here is the final end result, guys. You can add a little sea salt to the top of this when you're done. Just season to your taste, and it is good to go. Enjoy.